Joel Embiid wearing a mask, warming up. Didn't play tonight, but looks like he'll be back for the playoffs. They're taking on the Bucks, and the 76ers, they're going to win this game, claim the 3rd seed in the Eastern Conference. They made 8 threes in that first quarter, went up 46-18, and Markelle Fultz becomes the youngest player in NBA history to record a triple-double. It was Lonzo Ball before Fultz. So now we won't even be talking about Lonzo Ball. We forgot about Lonzo this season, haven't we? He's not even in the discussion for Rookie of the Year. The stat line for Fultz, and this was coming off the bench. He had 13 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. 76ers are pouring it on. The Bucks stood no chance tonight. They really wanted that 3rd seed. You see, Giannis is playing. He's going to turn it over. We're going the other way. Ben Simmons gets another assist and another slam. Philly is going crazy. They're going to be taking on the Miami Heat in the first round of the playoffs. The Heat made a mistake. They should have lost the game tonight against the Raptors. Why beat the Raptors? That makes no sense. The Heat don't know how to cheese. They don't know how to position themselves in the seedings. Here's Fultz. He's going to get his triple-double at the end of this game, and the reaction that he gets from his teammates, that's just great chemistry. He snags the rebound, and look at everybody celebrating. They're loving it. Trying to get people up out of there quick, and then in this fight, I made a mistake. I broke my own rule. I went for a regular takedown. You know you never want to do that because they have counter submissions. 2-gate cheese. He makes it to the 2nd gate, but Moses Carr is a fighter. He refuses to lose.